Hey everyone, wanted to do a quick unboxing of these tablets we just got for a client. This client is going to be using these in a taxi fleet, and they're going to be putting them in mounts, of course, and using them to connect their devices and all their services to the internet, of course. So let me open these up. These are a new tablet model. We've never deployed these before. They are called the X115, so X115. They are an 8-inch Samsung tablet, and the great thing about them that surprised me is the sizing of the box. So this basically, these boxes were, you couldn't fit 10 tablets in both of these boxes in the old model. But now what Samsung has done, as you can see here, is look at this. They have made them really, really slim. Look at that box, look at that. Very slim, very sleek. I bet you there's no brick in this box, but you know, I get the movement toward making sure that you're not using too much packaging and giving an opportunity to reduce their overall packaging waste. So I applaud Samsung for doing that and making these things ultra slim, ultra small. Here's the actual unit inside the box. Really nice fit and finish on this unit. Again, the X115 is the model. Comes in a nice packaging, good camera. Nice device. They kind of rounded off the edges compared to last year's version, which was in our case the T227U. And yeah, it's a great device. The client will be very happy with it. Silver backing, and they'll deploy it into their fleet, and hopefully they'll get it deployed fast, and we'll help them with some of the setup and configuration. But for now, just wanted to show this device and tell you how pleased I am with the size and form factor and reducing waste. Kudos to Samsung.